Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can buy Breadcoin on MetaMask. So it's pretty simple and easy. You want to go ahead and sign into your MetaMask wallet. You can also connect your wallet here from your MetaMask portfolio and confirm. Now, here on your MetaMask, you want to search for a token. So to search for a token is pretty simple to do when you go to CoinMarketCap. And here on contracts, you want to go ahead and copy it to clipboard and you will get your Breadbase address. Then you're gonna paste it here. And as you can see, here is the Bread. Now, in order to swap or buy this asset, you need to go ahead and basically switch to Base network. After this, you want to go ahead and switch, and here it is. Now you can go ahead and swap it from USDC and so on and so forth. So you can go ahead, use USDC, select Base, or we're just gonna click swap. Let's swap from Bread, just like so. And then you're gonna enter the amount here. Now, if you don't have USDC on your MetaMask wallet, you want to go ahead and add them. So to make sure you have, for example, USDC, you want to go ahead and buy it with your, for example, debit or credit card here on MetaMask. You can also transfer some USDT or Ethereum to MetaMask in order to buy. If you have ETH, for example, you can go ahead and transfer it from, for example, Binance, and then you will be able to swap it to Bread. So that's pretty much it. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.